Hello, today I'm excited to show you the chili that has won a few contests from private to public fairs. This was me 9 years ago and 4 months later. There's a story between me and this chili I would like to share with you, so let's start making it. For this video, you see all the instructions on the screen. And remember, written recipe can always be found in the description. So about 9 years ago, I made up this chili. Not for a contest or anything, but for my personal struggle. You see, 10 years ago, just like most of us at that age, I was pretty overwhelmed with life. Besides moving out, buying a home, working to pay for the mortgage, and prepping to go back to school, it was quite a struggle. Well, it's inevitably there was some area I neglected, and one of it was my health. I ate poorly, mainly store-bought, cheap, quick processed food, something like frozen pizza, hot pockets, ramen noodles. To be honest, they were tasty. No surprises, I gained lots of weight, blood pressure, and cholesterol rise significantly. Both of my parents are on medication for those two diseases. Things didn't look well for me. Took me a while to realize and to put something together. The first thing I need to correct is my diet. I needed to start making some homemade food that can last several meals from one cooking. Something can aid me to lose weight. Nutritionally balanced with all the nutrients needed, and most importantly, it's got to be tasty so that I don't get bored of it quickly. Some brainstorming, there's nothing better than chili that can fit all of my requirements. After a few tries, I perfected the recipe just the way I liked it. Super tasty! The coffee isn't just there for adding flavor, it also helps boosting metabolism to burn fat more efficiently. Soy jalapeno, black pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper. The tomatoes and bell peppers add the vitamins and minerals needed, while the beans contributed a large amount of fiber that helps my digestive system and keeps my stomach stay full longer. The dish as a whole has relatively low to average calories, with 25% of them from protein, 25% from fat, and the rest are from carbs, a perfect balance. Along with some home workouts, I lost 28 pounds after 4 months. And yes, I did have some other healthy meal options as well, which I will share for sure. Back to today, truth to be told, no, I don't really want to have that look anymore, as I am entering my middle age. As long as I'm having good health, I am content. Cooking and eating the right food should be part of a good health routine. Through that time, I realized being healthy is powerful. It makes me feel like I can and I'm able to do anything. Look at our chili. It looks amazing. I hope you don't hate this video because I talk a little too much. Actually, too much to be honest. Anyway, I appreciate your time. This recipe is worth a try. It helped me, so it would do for you too. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.